It is time for some more cruise news, but let me start off by saying Happy National Fried Chicken Day, just in case you didn't know it was National Fried Chicken Day, which I didn't until today. But we're actually here for cruise news, and we're going to get into it right after this. Chris here with High Seas Cruising, and welcome to today's video. Alright, so effective yesterday, international travelers are coming back into the United States. The borders are essentially back open. Mexico, Canada for land crossings, international travel by air for those that are fully vaccinated. So welcome back to the United States. Welcome back to cruising. We look forward to seeing y'all on board. The Carnival Spirit is fresh out of dry dock in Dubai. She's got her new paint scheme on, looking good. And of course, she is based year-round in Brisbane. But she's looking good in her new paint colors. So welcome back, Carnival Spirit. You know, lately we've had a few stories about world cruises. We know Royal Caribbean has put out their world cruise. We've had world cruises, of course, from Viking and other cruise companies. Well, now it is time for Princess Cruise Lines, and they have their 111-day world cruise for January of 2024. They will be visiting 51 different destinations, 27 countries, across 6 continents on board the Island Princess. Prices for this cruise start at $21,079 per person, but it does include the drink package, Wi-Fi, and of course the gratuities. So if you are interested in this world cruise, go over to Princess's website at princess.com, and you will be able to start booking on November the 11th, so just here in 2 more days. Now, before we get to our big cruise news story of the day, if you would do me a favor, hit this little subscribe button down here in the corner. It is free to do so. Helps our channel grow, lets you know when we put videos out, and you can help us reach our goal of 2,000 subscribers by the 26th of this month. And finally, a big story, a big name, someone that if you have followed cruising for any number of years, a name you are bound to know, and that is Mr. Richard Fain. Richard Fain, who is the CEO of the Royal Caribbean Group, well, he is effectively stepping down as CEO on January the 3rd, 2022, after 33 years. Now, he will remain chairman of the Royal Caribbean Group and will still be involved with Royal Caribbean and the shipbuilding process. I am not disappearing from this industry we all love. I will remain as chair, and I will continue my involvement in our new building projects. But starting in January, I will no longer be involved in the day-to-day running of the business, Mr. Fain said in a video announcement. Now, taking over as CEO will be Royal Caribbean's current Chief Financial Officer, Jason Liberty, and we should all be looking forward to see what he brings to Royal Caribbean here in the future. Alright, I hope you have enjoyed today's cruise news video. If you have, do me a favor, give it a thumbs up. Have yourself a great day, and we will see you out on the high seas.